In this video, we will introduce you to his mouth-watering Terrasco chicken recipe, a delightful take on the unique South American-style barbecue that has captured the hearts and palates of many. This cooking style, deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of Brazil, Uruguay and Argentina, showcases the art of grilling chicken to perfection, often seasoned with a blend of spices that reflect the vibrant flavors of the region. The Terrasco method emphasizes not just the cooking technique but also the communal experience of sharing a meal, making it a cherished tradition among families and friends. To elevate this dish, Chef John pairs the succulent chicken with a refreshing chimmy cherry potato salad, creating a delicious combination that complements the smoky, savory notes of the barbecue. This salad, with its tangy chimichurri dressing and tender potatoes, adds a burst of flavor and texture, making it the perfect side dish for any gathering. The cultural significance of this meal cannot be overstated, as it embodies the spirit of South American cuisine, where food brings people together. In Brazil, Uruguay, and Argentina, barbecues are more than just a way to cook. They are a celebration of life, community, and heritage. As you watch Chef John prepare this incredible dish, you'll not only learn how to make Terrasco chicken, but also gain insight into the rich traditions that surround it. So, gather your ingredients and get ready to embark on a culinary journey that pays homage to the vibrant flavors and cultural significance of South American barbecue. In this segment, we'll guide you through the essential process of creating the marinade for Chef John's Terrasco chicken, ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor. To start, gather the key ingredients: fresh garlic, vibrant Fresno chili, sea salt, olive oil, fresh herbs like parsley and oregano, and a splash of vinegar for that perfect tang. Each component plays a crucial role in building the marinade's depth and complexity. One of the most important tools for this task is a mortar and pestle. Using this traditional method allows for optimal flavor extraction, as it helps to release the essential oils and juices from the garlic and herbs, creating a more aromatic and cohesive blend. Begin by adding the sea salt to the mortar, followed by the peeled garlic cloves and chopped Fresno chili. Using the pestle, grind these ingredients together until they form a smooth paste. This step is vital, as it ensures that the flavors meld beautifully. Next, incorporate the fresh herbs, continuing to grind until they are well combined with the garlic and chili mixture. Once you achieve a fragrant paste, drizzle in the olive oil and vinegar, mixing thoroughly to create a cohesive marinade. The consistency should be thick yet pourable, allowing it to cling to the chicken perfectly. Once your marinade is ready, it's time to coat the chicken, ensuring every piece is generously covered. In this segment, we'll demonstrate how to prepare and marinate chicken thighs for grilling, ensuring they are tender, flavorful, and ready for the grill. First, let's start with deboning the chicken thighs. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut along the bone, following its natural curve, and gently pull the meat away from the bone. This technique not only makes the chicken easier to handle on the grill, but also allows for more even cooking and better flavor absorption from the marinade. Once deboned, you'll have beautifully shaped thighs that are perfect for grilling. Next, it's crucial to season the chicken properly. Generously sprinkle sea salt over the thighs, as this will help enhance the flavor and draw out moisture, allowing the marinade to penetrate the meat more effectively. After seasoning, place the chicken in a bowl or a resealable plastic bag, and pour in the prepared marinade, ensuring each piece is thoroughly coated. The key here is to massage the marinade into the meat, allowing it to seep into every crevice for maximum flavor. For optimal flavor development, it's recommended to marinate the chicken thighs for at least 2 hours, but if time allows, letting them sit overnight in the refrigerator will yield even better results. This extended marinating time allows the spices and herbs to infuse deeply into the meat, resulting in a juicy and flavorful grilled chicken. Once marinated, your chicken thighs will be ready to hit the grill, promising a delicious and satisfying meal that showcases the essence of the Terrasco style. In this section, we'll explain the grilling process to achieve perfectly cooked Terrasco chicken, ensuring it's juicy and full of flavor. First, let's set up the grill. If you're using a charcoal grill, start by preparing the charcoal fire. Arrange the charcoal in a pyramid shape and light it, allowing it to burn until the coals are covered with a light gray ash, indicating they are ready for cooking. This setup creates a consistent heat source, essential for grilling the chicken evenly. Once your grill is prepped, it's time to place the marinated chicken thighs on the grates. For best results, cook the chicken over medium-high heat, which typically ranges from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by placing the chicken skin side down on the grill. Cook for about 6 to 7 minutes on this side, allowing the skin to crisp up and develop a beautiful char. After this initial cooking time, flip the chicken and grill the other side for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. It's crucial to monitor the chicken closely during the grilling process to avoid overcooking, which can lead to dry meat. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you notice the chicken browning too quickly, you can move it to a cooler part of the grill to finish cooking without burning. Once perfectly grilled, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring each bite is tender and flavorful, embodying the essence of Terrasco chicken. Now that you've grilled the perfect Terrasco chicken, it's time to think about how to serve it alongside the delicious chimmy cherry potato salad. When plating the dish, consider the visual appeal of the chicken, allowing the accumulated juices to pool around the meat. This not only enhances the presentation but also adds a glossy finish that invites your guests to dig in. The vibrant colors of the chimmy cherry potato salad with its fresh herbs and bright cherry tomatoes create a stunning contrast against the golden brown chicken, making for an eye-catching plate. For an extra burst of flavor, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the grilled chicken just before serving. The acidity from the lemon brightens the dish and complements the smoky, savory notes of the chicken beautifully. This simple addition elevates the overall taste and adds a refreshing element that balances the richness of the meat. Don't hesitate to get creative with your meal presentation. While the chimmy cherry potato salad is a fantastic pairing, consider adding other sides or sauces to enhance the dining experience. Grilled vegetables such as zucchini or bell peppers can add color and texture, while a tangy coleslaw can provide a crunchy contrast. Additionally, serving a side of chimichurri sauce allows guests to drizzle extra flavor over their chicken, further enhancing the South American barbecue experience. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to mix and match sides that resonate with your taste preferences. With these ideas, your Terrasco chicken and chimmy cherry potato salad will not only taste amazing, but also look stunning on the table. As we wrap up our exploration of the Terrasco chicken recipe, let's recap the key points that will help you create this mouth-watering dish at home. We began by preparing a flavorful marinade using fresh garlic, Fresno chili, sea salt, and a blend of herbs, emphasizing the importance of using a mortar and pestle for optimal flavor extraction. After deboning the chicken thighs, we seasoned them generously and allowed them to marinate for at least 2 hours, ensuring that the flavors penetrated deeply into the meat. Next, we discussed the grilling techniques necessary for achieving perfectly cooked chicken. By setting up a charcoal fire and monitoring the cooking time, about 6 to 7 minutes on one side and 5 to 6 minutes on the other, you can achieve that ideal balance of juicy tenderness and crispy skin. Finally, we highlighted the visual appeal of serving the grilled chicken alongside chimmy cherry potato salad, suggesting a squeeze of fresh lemon for added brightness and encouraging creativity with additional sides or sauces. Now, we invite you to try this Terrasco chicken recipe for yourself. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so please share your thoughts and any variations you make in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delicious recipes and cooking tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Explore our other content for more culinary inspiration, and join our community of food enthusiasts. Happy cooking, and we can't wait to see your take on this fantastic dish.